My name is Zivoxa, and today I'll be showing you how to port forward. Now, first off, we're going to need to set up a static IP. And the only reason we're going to need to do this is because if you don't have a static IP address, your port forwarding won't work later in time, because your IPv4, which you need to port forward, will change frequently, which that then breaks or misconfigurates your, I don't know if that's a word, misconfigurates your port forwarding settings. So to set up a static IP, you'll want to do this. Go to start, type in CMD or CMD. Type in IP config, scroll all the way to the top. Now this is what I'm talking about right here. IPv4 address is -192.168.0.14. Now, if I'm right, if you turn off your computer, it might reset that. And then if you reset your router or modem, it'll reset your IPv4, and there's different ways of resetting your IPv4. But we want one designated IPv4 assigned to our computer so it doesn't mess up our port forwarding. So what you want to do is you want to look at your default gateway and type in this number in your web browser. This will bring you to your router settings, if my browser will ever open. Okay, there we go. So you want to type in 192, or I want to type in my default gateway, which is that. You'll type in your username and password. Hit OK. Then you want to look for something called DHCP server. Make sure it's enabled and then click the button that says DHC reservation. Look for your computer name inside your client name, or you can look for your IPv4 inside your IP address. Now mine won't be here because I've already done this. But what you want to do is you want to click select, or select it however your router is set up. Just select your name, your thing, and then you want to click add clients. It should pop down here or wherever the client's already reserved spot is on your page. And once that is done, you are done for this part. And for some reason mine isn't popping down there. And I don't know why, but it is working, but it was there when I first did it. But last time I checked before I did this tutorial, it was disappeared. But it's so far working. So you want to exit out your browser because you're done with this part. Now you want to open up Network and Sharing Center. Open that up, and then you want to go to the left and go to Change Adapter Settings. Look for your LAN or wireless connection. Right click that and click Properties. Look for your Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties on it, so select your Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties. Once that is done, you want to select Use the following IP address. Open back your CMD prompt and type IP config again. And basically what you want to do is you want to type in your IPv4, that one right there, the one you currently have. Yours will be different from mine. Type that into your IP address over here. Then type your subnet mask, and then do the same for the default gateway. And then make sure you have used the following DNS server addresses, and type in the preferred DNS server the default gateway. You don't have to do it for the alternate DNS server. Now click OK. And yes, close, and then X, and then that is it for part 1 of this tutorial and this series of port forwarding. So thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe, and have a happy day or something.